Welcome back to Robin Bits and Pieces. Last video I was putting the trim work on the goat chicken building. This week I finished up putting the chicken run together, and I needed to finish the chicken run so that I could get the chickens converted from their small temporary coop into this coop. And my problem was I needed to bury something so predators couldn't get underneath the fence, and the dirt was so hard I couldn't get into it. With my shoulders the way they are, I could not use a Maddox. So what I ended up finding was an auger bit for a drill that was about 5.5 inches long, and I used that on my drill to break up the dirt, and a small hammer size pick. It kind of looks like a Maddox, but I could manage that. So I dug all the way around the run. I buried 2x6s and left just enough up so that I could connect the bottom of the fence to the top of the board. And then on the outside of that, we had some leftover roofing material, about 4 inches, 5 inches. And I took a 2x4 and I pounded that in front of the board. So I think we're covered on the predators. We don't have huge predators here. We have raccoons, skunks, possums. We do have coyotes. I've seen a few in the 20 years we've lived here. I hear them all the time, but I don't see them. So I'm going to show you videos of using the auger bit and the small Maddox type hammer. This is like a mini-sized auger and a hammer-sized Maddox. So this is what I'm going to try. I'm moving the chickens. The audio on those aren't very good because the goats were right behind me and they were overpowering my voice. So I hope you enjoy. I love that I put the window side on the chicken side, because when I go out to let them out in the morning, they're looking out the window at me. It is pretty amazing. I put a roost inside, a poop board, which I used the plastic that separated the metal sheeting for the roof. That's going to work perfect. And I haven't got the nesting boxes made, but that's to come because they're not laying yet. That extra room? Three more to go. More room to flap your wings, huh? Yeah. Okay, I painted the inside of it light yellow so it's brighter and not so dark. And my little goats want out. I made them a roosting bar out of a closet rod. And right inside the door here will be their nesting boxes so that I do not have to step too far in to gather eggs. Let's see how they're doing. They didn't want to go in last night because this is new. I wanted to share a story. When I was in 3rd grade, My grandpa wanted to get a field of hay put up, and it was going to rain. He had a gravel truck business, and all my uncles were busy, and the only people available was my grandma and I. And I don't know how tall I was in 3rd grade, but I probably wasn't quite as tall as my grandma, who, like I said, was about this tall. My grandpa was on the tractor, and he was going as slow as the tractor would run. He had the baler tweaked down as light as he could make the bales. And I can remember hooking onto the bale of hay, and my grandma would pull onto my shirt to get the bale of hay off the baler. We could only stack it too high. And what was funny is that was the field that was closest to the road. The shirt was stretched out beyond belief by the time we got done. And as I got older, I used to think back, and I'm kind of chuckling, and I'm thinking, I wonder what the neighbors thought. Here he was on the tractor, and us two small itty-bitty people were on the baling rack. So anyhow, good memories. Come back in 2 weeks. I'm putting a list of ideas together to make a video on how to homestead as we get older, and to be able to continue to do that when we start having physical restrictions as knees and our joints aren't working as well. We're not as strong. I'm not a big person, and I know I say that quite frequently. I'm 5'1" and maybe 120 to 125 pounds. I'm from a whole family of small people. My dad was 5'5". My mom was a 1/4 inch shorter than I am. My grandmother was like 4'9", between 4'7" and 4'9", and her mother was like 4'5"-ish. So we never say we can't because we're too little, because everybody in the family is small. So we use different techniques and implement things to be able to do the things that we'd be able to do if we were bigger. For instance, I use my cart to move my cattle panel tractor. I use it to move my feed. And I've put ideas like that together just to help you realize that this is doable even as we get older. One of the things I could have done with this chicken goat house is I could have used the trailer that I tore down the camper from and built it on that, so it would have been movable. Taxes would have been cheaper because it wouldn't be a permanent fixture. But I got to thinking I would have to step up into that. And I'm 56. I'm not getting any younger. I've had a knee replacement. And I also think about things I'm doing now that will allow me to continue to do the things when I age. So see you in a couple weeks. So come back in 2 weeks, and I'm putting together a bunch of the ideas I used in home health to keep people safe at home, and trying to implement them into making it safe for homesteading in our elderly years. That's the word I want to use. So come back in 2 weeks. I'm putting together a video of a collage of ideas that I'm using